I'm Kenneth Lim, and I'm the VP of Finance of noco-noco, where we deal with battery-related solutions for decarbonization. My role involves overlooking the accounting and finance function, and I was given the opportunity to assist the company in the listing process through the de-SPAC journey, which ultimately led to the successful listing on Nasdaq in August 2023. ActiveDisclosure has solved my reporting challenges by streamlining our financial reporting processes, ensuring accuracy and reducing typesetting bottlenecks, while working in a totally secure environment and thereby reducing the time required for data validation and submission. The real-time collaboration capabilities, which allow our team to work together seamlessly regardless of our location. This has been particularly beneficial in ensuring that all team members are on the same page and can contribute to the reporting process in a coordinated manner. Since implementing ActiveDisclosure, our team has seen a 50% reduction in time required for updating and reviewing the documents. These time savings have allowed us to reallocate resources to other critical areas of the business, further enhancing our operational effectiveness and overall performance. During one of our yearly filings, we've encountered a last-minute change that would otherwise take a few working days to rectify. ActiveDisclosure's flexible and user-friendly interface has allowed us to make the necessary adjustments without delaying our submissions to the SEC. This agility was crucial in ensuring our compliance and maintaining investors' confidence. The platform's real-time collaboration features also enable our team to work together efficiently, even under tight deadlines, ensuring that we have met our filing obligations without compromising on accuracy or quality. If you're planning or about to start the F1 or F4 process and you have not seen how ActiveDisclosure can streamline the process, I would encourage you to consider this model. You can expect to see benefits such as the ability to streamline financial reporting processes, reduce manual errors, and enhance collaboration within the team. And beyond the IPO process, the platform's intuitive design and robust features make it an invaluable tool for any organization looking to improve their reporting efficiency and accuracy.